Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Muhammad Parvez. Hi guys, welcome in CAD Draft Techno or welcome in this tutorial. Today I bring a new tutorials. In this tutorial, we learn about the construction line or XLine command in AutoCAD. In my previous video, I explained it about ray line command. Who want to see that video? I share a link below in description box. Before beginning this tutorial, I request my new viewers who watching this video kindly subscribe my channel, like, share my video and hit the bell icon to get the first new upload video notification to you, and feel free to give comments. So before starting this session, I request all my viewers to please subscribe my channel and watch the full video and comment how you like this video. So let's start the video. So first, how we get the ray command. First, we discuss about the construction command. What is a construction command? What is the purpose of use? Uh, how we using this one construction command. So let first we give a short introductions about construction line, or it also called a X line. So construction line create a line of infinity length plus which line create one line which has infinity means uh, uncountable, undimensionable. We cannot dimension it. Same. In previous video, I discussed about ray command. In ray command, we see we have one start point, but we don't have any end point. So we know the start point, but in ray we know the start point, but we don't know the endpoint because it is infinity, uncountable. We cannot measure the ray line. So same in construction line in X line, we have only one midpoint, no start point or no end point. We have only midpoint, center point. So we don't know the about construction line for its start point or end point. That's why it called a infinity length means uncountable. We cannot measure it, or we cannot see it. If we do the z zoom extend command, if you use the extend command, it cannot fit in the workspace. If we again we scroll it, we find the length, so we cannot measure the construction line that extend to infinity such as X line can be used to create a construction line and reference lines and for trimming boundaries. We see the picture here. He used the construction line for making the boundary or for making the wall, or unusable line. It trimmed it. Trimming means delete it. Is unwanted line. So we start how to use the construction line, or where generally we using this construction line for when we making the grid, column grid, or when we making the sections elevation. In that purpose we using mostly, otherwise construction not too much use in the AutoCAD. So first we know the from where we get this command. So first we go to a draw menu. From draw menu we see the construction line. Here we construction line and its logo. See, here is a blue dot is a center line. After we see the start cursor arrow and upward arrow and downward arrow, and center is a blue dot means this one is a start point, or after that we have no start point or no end point. But in ray we see the one point and then arrow goes where the line is end, we don't know. So bus we it start at the same point means base point first point, but end point is where we don't know, we cannot measure it. So first option is here. We go to the menu bar. From menu bar we select the construction line and enter it. Our command is active. And second option is we go to the ribbon tab. In ribbon tab we come to the drop and draw tab, where we click and see here it is the construction. So that logo and the what is construction line is appear. From here we click, we active the command. And third is a shortcut option is X line. We type X line and enter. Our X line command is active. Just we active this X line command, we find here six options. One is horizontal, one is vertical and angular and bisect and offset. But let first we discuss about the normal without using these options. So we active, press the X line and enter. Now we select anywhere of our space workspace. I click here and enter it where we need. So we change the layer of color, so for understand. Now we select one center point, one midpoint. See, now where we need, we can use the if we need the horizontal construction line, we press here, or we need the vertical, then I remove the cursor. We got the vertical line. Now we need the angular line, then we off the ortho mode and we got the where we need. We click the through point. Through point is means where I give the second point. It is the meaning of through point. Where our is second point means this one I select the first point, and our we need the our second point. This one is when where I clicking, this one is our through point. Okay. Now we see the construction line without option. Now we see the with options. We know with options. We type the X line and select horizontal. We can click here or also press the H. The command is active. Now we see the only we can draw the horizontal construction line. See, we cannot do the vertical line, only horizontal, because we select the options. Now X line for vertical, we select for vertical. When we need the only vertical construction line, then we select the only vertical and click anywhere where we where you need. Now X line angle. Now we need the angle. For angle we select the angle, and if we have reference point, then no problem, we can work as per reference. We first click the first point, then we have the reference point, then we go to the reference line. Okay, now we go to the option of X line and angle. Here we select the angle. Now we need the 45 angle, then we enter the 45 angle. Then we can through any type. If we have reference line, then we select the reference angle, select and give the reference. See, our angle is about the reference line. Now we go to the another options. Another option is bisect. Bisects means the line intersection point is called the bisect, which maybe we have some. I have one X. I have one excellent angular line, but I need the bisect another line which bisect this angle. So first I take the command and go to the bisect. Here we need the point from where the we bisect it. I click here. This is my point, and if we need angle, we put the 45. See, 45 or angle they bisect bisecting each other from this or here anywhere you need you bisect this. You can bisect one line or two line is bisecting each other. See, this is my bisect is cutting the line through these points. It is a bisect point. And another is a offset command. Offset means offset means I have a same object, copy object, but in a particular length. Just I need 500 distance. I select and enter it. I select and enter it. I copy this my line, but in a specific dimension, in a specific distance, means given distance with 500 So see this. Sorry, we typed the feet inch. Okay, so it's not working. Line offset. I need 2 feet. Okay, we see we create the duplicate construction line per through offset command, but it is in a particular distance. I need 2 feet distance in. After 2 feet distance I put the construction line, duplicate my construction line. How we use in the natural practice means this one is our my floor plan. I need to make the grid for column and make a distance between the one column to another column. So when I copy this one, I copy it here, and now I take the construction line. I active the construction line, and now I need the horizontal. I select the horizontal and I check where is our column center line. Here center line. I put center line. I put center line. I put here this column center line. This column center line. This center line. This center line. This column center line. And another, now we need to vertical. So X line, and we select the X vertical and pick the center line of the column and put. Okay, after finishing our work, then we make the line or rectangular as per enough space for tagging or other extra line we delete it. Extra line we delete it. From here we know the distance of the column easily because we know, see here, all center to center column dimension we know how much the distance between from each columns. Now we come to the second option for how we use in the section line. So I coming in another drawing. Now we need to make a section for this. We have this floor plan, but I need a section this area only. So I make the mark for this area. I cutting. I'm making a section for this area. So how we, so first we select the construction line and select the vertical lines, and we cutting, so we saw what we saw this line, so as I click it here, and another we saw the window, another we saw the door, and we also saw this columns, and here also this. Okay, after finishing our this, we take the reference line is our verticals. I make the reference line, and I need the height of the building is 10 10 feet. First we check the dimension, is it feet inch or mm, it is mm. So we, again I take the, we can simply take the offset command also, but I want to know you how to use the construction line offset command in construction line. So I take the x line command and I select the offset and enter our desired height and enter it. Now we need door and window. Our door is 2.1, and maybe our seal level is, our lintel level is 2.1, and our door seal level is 900. So directly I take the 900 because I don't have, I didn't want to make the lengthy. After that we can trim or we can fill it. So here we fill it, no problem, but from other options we have to trim it. So I trim it here. Here if we want unwanted line we deleted. So I make the, which we don't need, I select it and delete it. Now you see I create the construction line through, sorry, I make the section through construction line. See how fast I do it. So hope guys you like today video. So kindly please see full video and comment how you like this video. We meet in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.